Hey there, Konstantinos here. I'm a full stack developer and I'm working on my progressive app application built with Solid.js, Firebase services, Tailwind CSS, and many other great tools. For today, I've prepared just one single task. I would like to optimize this bottom text, and in fact, this page looks a little bit noisy in terms of amount of text displayed, amount of messages, etc. So I decided to optimize this text somehow, maybe hide it under an icon, info icon, somewhere next to the unsubscribe button. So and I actually found a great component library for the job. So it's called Arc. I guess it's by the same developers who built Chakra UI, and it has Solid.js support, so most of the components or even all of them support Solid.js. And there is a good component which I'm gonna use today. It's called Popover, and this Popover component lets you click by the button and display some text, and then click to any other space on the page and it disappears. So you can also use close button. I don't need the close button and I don't need the title. I just need to display my message in a popover. So, and also what I need for the job is I need an info icon. I'm going to use Font Awesome library of icons, and we'll try to find a good one for the job. And I think this one, the free one, Circle Info, should be ideal for the job. Okay, let me create a new component for the icon first. I'm gonna make a copy of the existing component and just rename it to info icon. This info icon is gonna be the same as others. I need just replace the SVG here, and this SVG I'm going to take from the Font Awesome website. I need to adapt it the same way as others. I will first comment out the attribution line, and then I will pass merged properties to it the same way as to other icons. I can remove sign in icon from here now, and when I save a file, everything is good. Info icon is ready to be used. Now let me show you the original message which we display at the bottom of the page. It's here in the action panel. We can actually create a new component for the icon and a popover. Let's call it infobox. Infobox tsx const. It's gonna return some content, and the content should be borrowed from the Arc documentation. They have a few examples. I'm gonna use portal version of the uncontrolled popover, and portal version is for inserting the popover content to the main page template, not inside the Solid.js um, application container. Sometimes it's useful, so let's use it. I'm gonna copy it as this, and yeah, I just need to rename the example version. Info box. Okay, I'm gonna export default info box, and here, what else I need? I need actually ArcUI to be installed for the project. While it's installing, I'm going to create a span inside the trigger component. The span they'll have text content called something like show info, and this span won't be visible for normal desktop browsers. It will be visible only for screen readers. It's for accessibility. So, and here I'm going to use icon, and our new icon which we just created. Okay, I think it's good. I can actually remove title. I don't need the title of the popover. I just need description, and for the description I can copy the same text and just use dot to finalize the statement. Save the file. So info box, I think it's ready. Let's put it to the action panel and see how it looks. I run my application through Vite. And you see the icon, info icon, next to the sign in button. When I click it, I'll display some text, but the styles are not ideal. First, I need some padding between the button and the icon. For that, because it's flexbox, I'm gonna use gap. Let's check gap 3 if it works. Gap 3, maybe even gap 4. Yeah. And the color for the icon, I want it to be light blue as the other important text on the page. So it's gonna be fill secondary, because light blue is secondary color. So you see, when I click, I display text, which is good. Let's style the popover itself, the content. Class. Okay, it's gonna be white background with dark text. So background will be primary and text will be tertiary. What else? We need some padding. Px will be 4, py will be 3. Let's see what we have already. Yeah, it's good. It's good. We can actually round the corners. We've rounded. Yeah, nice one. What else can we do? We can actually resize the content to a max width extra small to fit all the screen sizes. Yeah, it's just small one. Okay. And what if I just use text extra small? Will it look good? Yeah, too small maybe. I need something between. What if I use arbitrary values? Just let me check. Tailwind, wind, text, size. Okay, font size, extra small. And what if I need something like, let's try small. Small should be good. Or if it doesn't work, I will use arbitrary values. Yeah, it should be better. Yeah, it's better. And it's max width, and width's gonna be full. Something like this. I just want to automatically resize it to... No, it doesn't work for some reason. I'm not going to spend much time on resizing it to 20 pixels less, so it's okay for me for now. Yeah, what else can I do? I can actually give some shadow to the box. Shadow, droop shadow, to make it like droop shadow small. Yeah, droop shadow small should be good. I don't need much. Okay. See, droop shadow small. Yep. It's almost invisible, but still okay. So what can I do here? Also, I can actually center text. Let's see if it works better. I'm not sure yet. I will just try. Center, text center. Yeah, it's okay-ish, but I don't like it, to be honest. Okay, text small. Accidentally removed the... what I removed actually. Okay, let's keep it this way. Yeah, good. Let's check on mobiles. It's okay on mobiles too. So yeah, let's remove this initial text to free up some space. Yeah, and this annoying bar. Finally I will find a solution for disabling it. Yeah, I think it's good. We can actually increase the gap. Try to increase the gap a little bit more. Gap 5. Yeah, gap 5 is better. Good. I can close everything I opened except the initial version. So you see now the initial version was the bottom text, which actually made the page a little bit noisy, and now it's hidden under the icon with a popover. We can change some colors later, but it's okay for now. Totally fine. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run the emulator suite and run the application in build watch mode. Let's wait for some time until it builds it. Open the emulated version and see how it works with subscribe and unsubscribe button. I'd like to see the loading indicator in combination with the icon, etc. So maybe we need the same condition we had for the message, not display until we know the status of the authentication. So that is why I wanna test it here. Okay, let's sign in. Yeah, create a new account as usual. Yeah, you see I can subscribe. Yeah, that's good. I think the gap can be reduced. Yeah, I think so. Let's reduce the gap a little bit to 4. Should be fine. Need to reload the page because it's a build mode. Yeah, it's good. It's better. So cool. And when I reload the page, the loading indicator displays. Yeah, it's kind of fine. And I can actually create a condition, the same condition which I had for the text. Let me roll back a little bit and just copy this show and use it instead of just inbox. Yeah, let's see. And gap is also 4, so I'm safe. Oh, yeah, of course I need to remove the original. And it's removed actually. It's some lag. Okay, it's compiled. Yeah, you see the loading, and only then info and icon. So, for instance, if a user is offline, we will probably not display any button or icon. Just loading. So, should be good. Or you think it's better to keep the icon for even for loading? Yeah, I don't know. Let's keep it this way. For now, I will decide later. Yeah, that's it. This is what I wanted to show you today, and you can see the difference. And here, yeah, it's much better. So thank you very much for your time. See you next time.